Imagine waking up tomorrow and feeling an ancient fire reignite within your body. Your limbs no longer whisper of exhaustion. They surge with fresh, unstoppable energy. You breathe deeply, and the world doesn't just flow around you, you move it. Welcome to the moment your body snaps back into vitality. Picture yourself sprinting across the desert of fatigue, leaping over tangled obstacles of brain fog, low stamina, and that simmering frustration you've tucked away. You've been told this is just part of getting older, right? Wrong. Because what if the real story is that your blood has been charged with the wrong rhythm, your cells restrained by bottled up oxygen, your body's natural power system simply waiting for the key to be turned? Now you're handed that key. Imagine a surge of clarity washing through you, your focus laser sharp, your circulation humming like a finely tuned engine. You flip the switch and suddenly your day doesn't crawl, it charges. You don't just walk through life, you dominate it, one beat, one breath at a time. Inhale. Energy flooding your bloodstream. Exhale. Laziness and lethargy dissolving like mist at sunrise. Your heart pulses strong. Your veins sparkle with renewed vigor. The fog in your mind parts and leaves you standing on the threshold of greatness. And right at that threshold stands the version of you you've been waiting for. Fitter, sharper, unapologetically alive. And now you ask, where did this come from? It came from the moment you decided to refuse the ordinary. To reject the aches and the labels. Over 40, past prime, slowing down. That's not you. You realize that circulation, oxygen, blood flow, these are not just medical terms. They are the currency of youth, power, and motion. Your body is not done. It's revving up. Now you're on the move. The world looks different when you're humming with the right fuel. You leap on your bike, you hike the trail you swore was too tough, you push harder in the gym, and you don't leave early. You finish strong. Your friends ask, what's changed? You smile and keep moving. Because deep down you know, you found the lever that unlocks the upgrade. This isn't a fleeting boost. It's a gateway. A shift that takes you from surviving to thriving. From just making it through to owning the day. Let the world adjust to your momentum. Let your body remember what power feels like. Because the version of you ready for this moment is not just stronger, it's unstoppable. And it starts now. Check out my blog at fit5fusion.com.